Hi, good afternoon. This is Shaiji from K Filters Manufacturing Factory. Just going to introduce today this high flow, large diameter filters cartridges, which you can use for the seawater RO distillation plant and the boilers, feed waters and all. This this one is just today we just make it for the 6-inch diameter, which is this length is now 1750 millimeter. This is the outer core is a spiral core, which is a high temperature, high flow, and high pressure filter cartridge. This one, this filters media is glass fiber, which is a high temperatures you can use. It can be interchangeable with many reputed brands. So this is our K phase. So you can see on there is our the K filters KAJ series filters, which this is a normal, so 20 microns. We can also make it for the 1 micron to 200 micron filter cartridges as per the custom request, and the height and OD, the height and filters media also it can be changeable as per the custom request, and the micron also we can make it as per the request. This handle you can very easily remove and refix these cartridges from the vessels actually. So normal cartridge, this one side is open, one side is closed, but the bottom is closed tight. So these cartridges you can use for seawater, water filtration and high temperature oil filtrations and all. This normal is interchangeable for this kind of the cartridges is normally using for the normal cartridges, which you can using for the normal sediment cartridges. Instead of that, you can use for this cartridges. So normally it will come for the including the one vessel, 3 cartridges, 3, 7, 20, 60 like that cartridges it will come as per the client requests. So this is a normal standard now. It's a 1150 millimeter. Also we have a 750 millimeter height. The OD and ID is a standard, always it will come. So then this so you can see the outer surface is a stainless steel. This is a stainless steel spiral core, which is you can get the more strength for the more strength this outer cages. So this is the cartridges. Then we can make it in micron sizes. This is normally using for the oil and gas application plant and petrochemical, food industry, seawater distillation plants and all. So it can be interchangeable to pall, Hydac and Peco, extreme series and all. If you have any requirement, you can just tell us. Also, we have the same we can make it on the double O-rings. This is at the moment for the single O-ring. So if you need the double O-ring sizes, also we can make it the double O-ring sizes. The end caps are made by the pure polypropylene glass filled filter house, the end caps actually. The top and bottom is both side is a glass filled actually, pure polypropylene with the gas filled end caps. So this one side is closed and the other side is open, which is flow inside to outside and outside to inside, the different pattern flow. Also we can make it as per the customer request. So if you have any requests or any enquiries or technical details, if you need, you can log on to our website on www.kfiltersglobal.com, or you can just drop on an email sales@kfiltersglobal.com. So this is our in-house production from the made in Qatar. Also, we are making for the full range of the process and industrial filter segment for the petrochemical, gas plants and oil and water purification segments. If you have any requests, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching us. Thank you. Bye bye.